Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional. No, it's not the additional. It's the puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, December the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. But you are interested in this one? Yes, it's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 9 4 no 9751. 9751. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. 26. This one has 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 4 ones, so I need 1 in this row. Well, the only possibility, the one should be here, because I cannot place it there. Then we have 3 ones, cannot place it there. Then we will have 3 O's, so it should be between. So here, the 5th one, so the other numbers should be an O. Alright, double ones, here no, there no, double ones, here no, there no, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no, double O's, here one, there one, double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no, double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes a no. Double O's, here one, there one, double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes a no. Between 2 ones comes a no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have also 4 O's. Well, the 5th O should be in one of these 3 boxes. So the other 2 boxes should be a 1 then. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the number 5. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And an O between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So these 2 boxes should be an O then. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's, double O's, here 1, there 1. And we have here 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are double O's, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O, double O's, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O. Now I need to think. 1, 2, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. Double ones, double O's, here one, there one. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct in 5 minutes. We solve it again. This one is very quick to solve without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.